Hello students. So in last lecture we have discussed about types of functions. So we have already discussed three types of functions. Now today we will discuss fourth type. So fourth type is rational function. Rational function. Okay. So definition for this is a function of the form fx upon gx where gx is not equal to 0 and fx and gx are polynomial functions is called a rational function. Rational functions where x will belongs to r. R means real number. So let's take an example. Let fx upon gx be 1 upon x and px is equal to 1 upon x where x is not is equal to 0. Now if we make the graph table for x and fx, okay, so if we put value of x as -2, okay, so what will be the value of 1 by x? This px will be, so keep it as a px, so this will be -1 by 2. Now if we will put the value of x as -1, so this will be also -1. If we will put value of px x as 1, so this will be 1 and this will also we will get 1 by 1 1. If we put this value 2, we will get this value 1 by 2. So if we want to make a graph of this equation, so plot a graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is -1 -2 -3 -4 as it is. This is also -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. This is also -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Okay, so now we have to plot this. So if x value is -2 and y value is -1 by 2, okay, so we get for -1 and 1 we get same value. So for 1 we get what? 1 only, so this will be our point. For 2 we get 1 by 2, means between this here at least 0.5, so like this. So we will get the point like this here, and we will get the point as -1 by 2. So this -1 and this will be 2, like this here. This will be graph for your rational functions. Okay, so next type of function is modulus function. Fifth is modulus function. So definition for this is a function f r tends to r defined by fx is equal to x in mod. Okay, now we will divide this into three cases. First one is x is greater than 0, so minus x first we will take, so x less than 0, and 0 we will take, so x is equal to 0. So we have divided this into three parts. Now we will make the graph table. Let's see graph table. So x value and fx value. So if x value is -2, okay, if x value is -2, so mod will work and mod will give it positive. If x value is -1, mod will work and it will give 1. If x is 0, it will also give 0. If x is 1, 1. If x is 2, 2. So when we make the graph for fx is equal to mod x, so mod will always give you a positive value. So make a graph. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, now see the -2, there is -2 here, and fx will give you -2. So I think here will be the points. For 1, 1, for -2 it's 2. Here also for 1, 1 and 2, 2, and for 0, 0. So it will look like this. Here is straight line and here is straight line. This will be your modulus function. Okay, now next one is signum function. Sixth is signum or signum function, you can say. Okay, so a function f r belongs to real number defined by fx mod x upon x is equal to 1x greater than 0, -1x less than 0, and 0x is equal to 0. So we will make a graph table. This is x, this is fx. Now if we put x value as -2, so this -2 will give us 2, and 2 divided by 2 will give us -1. Okay, now this will, if we will put x value as -1, so -1 give you mod value positive, and -1 upon +1 upon -1 will give us minus. If we put 0, we will get 0. If we put 1, we will get 1. If we will put 2, we will get 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2, it's 1. Now we will make a graph for this. See the graph. Again this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, and here -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, now we have to check these values. So for one value, for 0 we will get 0 only. For 1 we get 1. For x value 2 we also get 1. For x value 2. Okay, so this will be the graph for this side. And for negative, -1 we get -1, -2 also we get -2. So this will be the graph for signum function. And if we discuss domain, so domain will be all real number, any real number we can use, and range will be -1 to 0, 1. For this value these are same, otherwise it will give different, because mod x upon x is given. Okay, now last type of function is GI function, which is also called greater integer function. Okay, so a function f r tends to r defined by fx is equal to x, which assumes the value of the greatest integer less than x is called the GI function. GI function means greatest integer function. Okay, now by definition by the definition, we can easily see that greatest integer function 0 when x will belongs to 0 comma 1. So when this type of bracket we use, it means 1 is excluded. Okay, 1 is excluded. Now if greatest integer function x is equal to 1, so x belongs to 1 comma 2. 2 is excluded. Similarly, x is equal to 2, so x belongs to 2 comma 3. 3 is excluded. Okay, now if we take x minus 1 and x belongs to minus 1 comma 0, in this 0 will also be included. So in this case, when we make the graphs, okay, when we make the graphs, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 1 2 3, this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, now minus 2 minus 3 4. ठीक. Now if we'll make the graph, so for 0 to 1 limit, if we take 1 1 to 2 limit, okay, if we take 2, so 2 to 3 limit, so it will give excluded values. In this case, this will be taken, this side will be also taken, and this side will be also taken. This is the difference between positive and negative values. Okay, so if we discuss domain, so domain can be any real numbers, okay, any real number, but range will always give you an integer. Range will always give you an integer. See, always be. Okay, so like this, these are 7 types of functions. Now we will discuss some questions on this, which will be our last exercise. Okay, thank you.